Yeah, we should not. Oh. We're back. Quiraing. It's not raining this time. Let's go. So it's been raining constantly for like 3 days now, and we got a window. We have to take it. Also, we might actually leave today, so it's not much you can do. So we are on our way to the lower part of Quiraing this time, and there's one spot that we know of already, which is called the Needle, which we hope to see somewhere here. It's supposed to be somewhere in there, but what else there's to see there, we've got no clue.
Yeah, so join us.
Come along. We have these lovely muddy trails to walk on, which is always nice.
I'm pretty sure that's where we were last time. We were standing on top of the knob thing there.
Oh, yeah. There's no trail going through there. It's probably because of all these rocks falling down, I assume. So I have to walk around it. It's a good day. Our last day, probably.
In Isle of Skye.
Yeah, in Isle of Skye. We planned all these shots and sunrise shots that we wanted to do, and every morning it's been raining and it's been just super cloudy. It's been everything else than what we expected, but yeah, we'll take what we get. It looks good now though.
It's always good using strangers for like for scale. Like you don't have to ask your friend to run over there, you can just use them. You're never gonna see their faces from here, so it's like you're not invading their privacy or anything.
So which way are we going?
I don't know. That looks cool, but I think the Needle is that way. But I've never been here, so how would I know?
I don't know. Yeah, let's go this way.
Left?
Yeah, let's go this way. You guys know if the Needle is this way?
What? Oh,
the Needle?
Sorry.
Do you know if the Needle is this way?
What? Needles?
Oh yeah, it's like a
pointy one.
So,
I don't know, but you are very close to the other side of the.
oh, cool. Awesome. Yeah, that's right. Thanks. Cozy.
Cozy.
You wanna try?
I'm good.
So I guess that might be the Needle. But
Steep. Yeah, that's what I think.
let's just go straight up.
Think?
I don't think you go that way, do you?
No. Ah.
The car's over there. Needle over there. Let's start climbing.
Not excited about this.
Is that?
Not excited about this.
Why not?
I hate hiking. I hate hiking upwards, like when it's steep. I don't mind hiking when it's like the way up here until this point has been perfect, but I really don't like this stuff.
We need to do more of these hikes. I'm so out of shape. I can barely breathe. Almost out though. But to be fair though, it is really steep. Like, really steep. Closing in. It's a pretty nice view from here. Nailed it.
Yeah, sort of. Sunset at 21:24. Not bad.
What time is it now?
It's 7:32, so we got like almost 2 hours until sunset, which is crazy.
Wow.
Impressive.
Quite. I guess this is it. It's like a nice echo here too. Whoopa!
I feel like you're a lot closer than what I've seen under pictures, but I haven't seen that many. So.
The way out.
Sorted.
Pretty decent view. I guess we were up there last time. There's so many paths to take.
Yeah. I like the ones that keep going up though, like this one.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
There it is again.
I like this view of it better. Windy.
Oh yes. Wow. Don't fall, dude. Whoa. Careful. Yee. Let's get the thumbnail. Further down. Yeah, there we go. You got it. Yeah, we should not. Oh! Take it easy. Let's keep going.
Yeah, for sure.
And move towards the car, I guess. Should we take that trail? Or should we go the same way back? That should probably lead back to
Let's
the
try
car.
that one.
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah. So if the so if the sun is setting in about 50 minutes,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
then we got 50 minutes left.
Yeah. Sick conclusion I did.
Hopefully we can just walk up there.
Yeah, I feel like if we can, it's gonna be like a very steep downhill.
Yeah, but it's gonna be a steep downhill here too. The way back.
Steep everywhere.
Let's see what's on the other side.
Yeah. Let's see. It's always fun, like just before you're crossing over a crest, because you have no idea what it's gonna look like.
Whoa. Holy.
Yeah, that's steep.
Let's go on the top and see what it's like.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah, so that's the needle again. Absolutely stunning.
Absolutely stunning.
Sun setting. Time to go down. We better get down before it gets dark. Yeah, let's go this way.
Are we sure about this?
Yeah. It's gonna be a shortcut, man. It is slippery. And windy. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god.
That's like the definition of sketchy right there.
Yeah, that was scary. Almost out of battery. See if we make it down there. This was not the right path, I guess. Let's go.
Home sweet home.